Texas, about 270 million years ago. The environments consisted of wetland swamps and floodplain habitats, ideal for wildlife and even more advantageous for predators. Dimetrodon, carnivorous synapsid. Dimetrodon is frequently confused with dinosaurs or perceived as a contemporary of these creatures in popular culture. However, it actually went extinct approximately 40 million years prior to the emergence of dinosaurs. Despite its reptilian appearance and physiological traits, Dimetrodon is more closely related to mammals than to reptiles, although it does not serve as a direct ancestor of mammals. The sail of Dimetrodon is created by elongated neural spines that extend from the vertebrae. These spines exhibit variations in their cross-sectional shapes from the base to the tip adjacent to the vertebra body. The cross-section of the spine is laterally compressed into a rectangular form, while nearer to the tip, it adopts a figure-8 configuration, characterized by grooves that run along both sides of the spine. This figure-8 structure is believed to enhance the spine's strength, thereby reducing the likelihood of bending and fractures. The sail could have other functions in its life. Some of the first to think about its purpose suggested that the sail may have served as camouflage among reeds while Dimetrodon waited for prey, or as an actual boat-like sail to catch the wind while the animal was in the water to help with movement. The Dimetrodon group has discovered the remains of a Cotyloihenchus, a sizable herbivorous synapsid, indicating that the group will have found an easy meal and will proceed to tear apart the carcass. Ultimately, the Dimetrodon will have satisfied their needs and will return to inhabit the swamps. Fossils of Dimetrodon have been discovered in Oklahoma, Texas, and Germany. The name Dimetrodon, translating to two measures of teeth, is a fitting designation due to its prominent dental features. This genus of apex predators utilized its mouth, equipped with an array of both large and small conical teeth, to seize, hold, pierce, and rip the flesh of its prey, which predominantly consisted of the sizable amphibians of its era. It is believed to have adopted a semi-sprawling posture, which was intermediate between that of mammals and lizards, while also being capable of walking in a more upright position, elevating its body and most, if not all, of its tail off the ground. The majority of Dimetrodon species measured between 6 and 15 feet in length and are estimated to have weighed anywhere from 60 to 550 pounds.